Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is December 26th, the day after Christmas. I got the Hero 9 with the media mod, so I don't need that big old brick anymore, but this GoPro is much bigger. And I just found out today, since I was trying to pair the GoPro with the GoPro remote, this Hero 9 is not compatible with the GoPro remote. Everything worked. The 8, 7, except the 9 doesn't work, so that kind of sucks. And they said they got a new remote in the works for this one. Now, why wouldn't you make this thing compatible to the other remote? That doesn't make any sense to me. I have I think one of the first drones I bought was a GoPro Karma, and I didn't fly it for months and months. And what they did was, since they stopped making the Karmas years ago, they stopped supporting them, so they had an update in the remote where it deactivated all of the Karma drones. So there's not one Karma drone out there flying now. They've deactivated all of them, so they won't pair, they won't do anything, and that kind of sucks. You know, not that I flew it a lot anyway, but I mean, that really sucks what GoPro does. And I know they deactivate them, because you get on the forum, nobody can fly a drone now. So I'm really kind of disappointed in the Hero 9 that it doesn't pair with the remote. But I'll see how I got the media mod too, so you can plug in the mic right to the back of the media mod, so I don't need that brick, which is good. But now I have to see, and it does have a super view, and they really, I got the boost on for the stabilizer. We'll see how that works. But now I have to put the cruise on and then stop the video, which I don't like. I'd much rather be able to just push it there, but now I gotta push it here. Now, it's supposed to be 70 degrees today. I overdressed. The jacket's fine, but I got the pants on too. I should have worn just the really thin rain pants, but I'm not hot, so it's okay. We'll see how this thing looks. I don't have it on auto. I did the same thing with my Hero 7. I got the exposure comp to -0.5, and I got the color to 5,000 Kelvin, and that kind of looked good on the Hero 7 black. So we'll see what it looks like on the Hero 9. But we had a good Christmas. I hope everyone else had a great Christmas. We didn't get started till after 5 when my youngest son and his wife showed up. He works nights and didn't work last. He has to go in tonight to work, so. But it's supposed to be really nice today. Bye. Oh, my son and daughter-in-law they live by about 10 miles from where we're building our house, and they go there every couple of weeks and check on the progress. But last time they went, they had the forms built where they're gonna, you know, the wooden forms built where they're gonna do the house. And they went up, I guess Christmas Eve or the day before, and they got the forms for the shop and the apartment we're building behind the shop for my mother's. We're gonna take her with us, so can't leave her here because she's 85. So they got the forms built for the shop, and then the apartment in the back of the shop. So that's kind of cool. So my daughter said my shop is huge, which is what I wanted. And I'm sure I'll fill it up pretty quick. So what my office is gonna be, I'll have to get a mini split, heat and cool it, a big mini split to heat and cool it, and put my desk out there, my computers and my photography stuff, and I'll lock it up, and it's insured. Because my wife is going to take the study, because she's works from home too now. She'll probably never go back.